Welcome to my bathroom. Yes, this is what my bathroom looks like after a lot of rainfall. Yeah. Check out my bathroom. Subscribers, viewers. Check out my bathroom. Very expensive bathroom. Welcome back to the channel. Look where I'm at. I'm by Colorsmith TV cabin. Yeah man, me outside. Yeah. So me I check in and see what I go on it for the progress. As we see one Colorsmith videos them say it paint up fully. Well, me not sure if it a go get no more painting as yet, but so far it look good and things. So me I go check in on it. So stay tuned. Remember, like the video, and if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, I don't know what you're waiting on, but still locked and loaded. We are checking on the cabin here now. Alright, so it's been a while since I haven't checked it by the cabin here. Actually I did the year when it just started paint. So first me I check in back from them time there until now. I think about 2 days ago. Yeah man, Colorsmith TV cabin. Yeah. So I just pass by, check in with the team. Team supposed to be down by the road. I think Beaufort Road. Them down at Beaufort Road. So I just pass by and think I check in for the cabin. And think actually I did think them up here, so I do the whole video program to the boat. So that seemed like a change of plan. So this is how I go on so far. The cabin looking very good. Steps paint up on everything, and it is surrounded by nature, bush, trees. Yeah man, very peaceful and calming. And you can see the other day them plant up some flowers right here. So yeah man, can't remember what them flowers are named still, but yeah, peaceful and beautiful. Yeah, very beautiful. Yeah man, so this is it. Yeah, the cabin in full swing so far, as you would have seen Colorsmith previous videos where they brought the furnitures and stuff. So soon up and running, so you can start book on stay. Yeah man, you don't know the thing go. Yeah, so stay locked in and clock in. I go check in upon the team and see what them cook up today in idea. So once stay locked in and clocked in, yeah man, your girl DJ Dalvy outside, and you don't know we are doing it, we are putting in work. So we just want you guys to just do the right thing, subscribe to the channel, watch the videos, watch the ads. That's how the channel make a revenue. So do no best and just help we out on the journey. And big up to all who have been watching my channel from them time there until now. Really appreciate the love and respect. Yeah man, and big up to all my new subscribers as well. Yeah, so beautiful view. That's the pink house right there. Yeah man, so you don't know, big up to each and everyone every time. Yeah, so me I go back down on the road there now. Check in with the team. Yeah man, them set them down by Beaufort Road zone. So I head down there now and see what them a cook up. Yeah, some of the on the road and now I drive I go back down the road. Yeah, so I find which part them there now. Actually, Buddy come out on a little stretcher road, so him can help me out with the direction to find which part them there that the day. So just there. I'm thinking I wait for him. I see some piece of wood So I'm gonna get them. I'm gonna get out some piece of thick out there. So I want to kitchen so. Kind of overheads, yeah, Ackee them a cook. So yourself.
A big up man.
Yeah, man, that is it, man. Getting some fire 6 cm here. Eh? Yeah, we can't jar that piece, yes. I'll check in and help out same time. Yeah, piece of wood. Check in for the complex and I'm just find it crow.
That is it.
Puppy. There, you don't know. One ratty lifestyle. Our ratty lifestyle, oh, you go.
Ratty adventure and lifestyle.
Ratty adventure and lifestyle, and then, don't know. Your name again?
One up man.
One up man. One job out. Come like so, 2 minutes they have such a lag while I'll name me and mess up. How will we do? Anyways. Yeah.
One up people, yeah.
One up.
All about Dalvy shit, yeah.
That is it, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, so I'm cut out the coconut there now. So go and stay lock in and clock in. Not sure I know how to cook it, you know. I know how to cook. Yeah, like them say Ackee. Ackee and something. What? Only for breeze a blow, man. Well dry.
People all about the coconut, you know. You ever hear some people say come like a coconut head? Remember me talk, a coconut going to be a living thing. Yeah, so.
And they come like you have one big guy.
So, it's all about this, see that? I ain't growing, you know, so you don't say a natural thing here. So look at our eye that, see the people see it? Eye that. I mean, say this come a crown coconut tree. It's like a coconut. Yeah, so. Yeah, in it. Coconut, yeah, so.
Shake it.
Yeah. Well, nice.
Yeah, so you don't know mango season still a keep, you know, so we have a one blocky mango, yeah. Chad did it from Portmore, so checking it down. He's different. Blacky mango, the thin skin one, sweet. But look at him when they are round. Mango sweet and nice, you know? Night. That was a temperature night and don't cook last night. Yeah man, so I can see what time o'clock a strike. I can see what I cook up. Alright, so don't know. That's roti. Oxing up the coconut then. We start grating. So I must get them up so first and then grate them up so after a month. Right today I go and get it. Coconut them grate up. It's a grater fast, grater sharp. Cut through them quick and fast. Yeah, so you don't know. Socks, cut down a stick here. And job out. I'm sure them want to do it yet still. I want to use it for table. Tell us a big stick here for pick jelly.
Everybody have to pick them.
Hold on there. I use it for climbing tree.
No.
Use this every stick here, buddy.
Everybody have to pick everybody have to pick them jelly.
And say, this is a big fat stick here. We pick jelly. No sir, look at that. Alright. Socks here, eat if you want. Alright, and big stick here, man. Line up this stick here. Pick 2 jelly so we can go and cool long way. System and idea. That's where I go. Alright, so socks get some jelly for the crew. See jelly them up there. I don't know what this is a heavy stick I use, you know. What's the bunch you want? Right.
Yeah, the owners are free if you pick them. Make sure you get one.
Okay. I say owners say we can just pick and drink jelly, just make sure we left for them one. Yeah, which is right, cause you know come up people place and just pick for yourself. Pick and left for them too.
Yeah, climb.
Well, let's see what's going on now. If you jerk them up, all of them, you have to pick them, you know. Yeah, if you jerk up, you have to pick all. That's how it go, you know. Because it will spoil if you don't take it down. Come help him all the stick now. That me that thing you do, you know. You look like you're not done sleep, so yet, Buddy. Yeah. Buddy say you always want to sleep. Jesus! Cutlass. Hold on, let me see cutlass down there, so. Oh, see cutlass, sir.
Probably something there over here make heavy and skill.
Check and chip off some eye. And that you got the body. What the same I do and can do. Chip it down the collider. A pity no bamboo no. Smaller stick na there so. And that me realize. Put it up the back. It's a talk, it's simple, so put it back up there like it easy. Alright, you don't know this is a big stick here. You two know all the stick na body? You get light car body, chip off some more weight down there so. Chip off some more. Countryman style, you know? Take off some more weight. Your socks, that's where you get lighter there already.
This is the challenge, you know. If you want a jelly, you have to pick your jelly.
You want a jelly, you have to pick your jelly. This is the challenge.
That, you know, if you never get a drink of jelly. Where you put the machine?
See machine, right? That's all. You want the machine for again?
You don't want to do this.
Oh, you don't want to drop down pony? Alright, let's see where them are going with that now.
Hold on, Jabot. You have a finger you squeeze.
Hold on, Jabot. I have a finger you squeeze. What? One down, one heap more to go. Alright, sucks. This side say my chop out for him jelly because I don't know him a rush the food so.
You rush it, boy.
Yeah, but I go and try see if he can help himself.
Chabot, me never had a look.
Punchy man style. 1, 2, 3, go. Let's go and be here, Juliano.
You want to tell us a meeting, man?
Alright, so this is my jelly. I know. Bust my jelly and see what I go and feed. First chop miss. You have to help yourself, you know. You have to help yourself. Yeah. You can help yourself in a real life. I don't have to chip you up too much, you know, because I don't like Sylvia go sell no jelly, you know.
Remember, say you're not a gangster now.
That me say too. Alright, see, you know. This is it. Short time. Look at that. Full of meat here. Come closer. Look at that.
Help yourself. No man, so you stick there, help yourself. So I challenge, you know, you have to help yourself.
That it is, man. That is it, man. Full of water. Small boy carry enough water. Sweet. Sweetest jelly is my drink in a long while.
Yellow jelly is the sweetest jelly, man.
Now you see me eat, you know. I share to and share. Wait, water the left in there. I like water the left in there. I mean, I not chop it, but I should have chop out already. I'll put the laugh after me. Boti. Look at that. Look at that. More jelly a pick. More jelly a pick. Remember, if I left for you and I want to left for them. That is it. Look at that. This is what time o'clock I strike. Yeah. Pumpkin, potato. One peel already. One lily one the right so. Daniela struggle with a knife.
Knife dull, man.
Is the knife dull? I'm seeing some sweet potato pumpkin rice. I'm going to cook today, so I don't know. My sister there, Daniela. Peel the potato them and thing. So that's going what I go on. Right outside in nature. So it's cool and nice.
There's that one easier to peel, you know, because it just raw and it not have too much langoy.
Oh. Daniela got the pumpkin in the sweet potato. So Daniela there go and get the pumpkin and cut up. Yeah. See pumpkin yellow and pretty. Puppy them supposed to line up the fireside settings and all still. Back here, get the fire side active up.
Wow. Powerful. At the same time, people, as you done pack it, go ahead and get it light up. Don't know when it's in a time to start much to the pot, you know? Okay.
What chops? Yes, one strike.
One strike.
One light. That is it, one.
Then good now.
Fire blazing. Fire can't out again. That is it, one.
Man, you have a wicked. No joke.
Don't be late.
Early.
Alright, so you don't know, pot well, season up well. Not fully seasoned up yet still, but you don't know the pumpkin and the sweet potato along with the coconut milk is inside at this moment. Yeah, as you're seeing earlier, Daniela getting the sweet potato and the pumpkin, and you don't know Ratty Juice of the coconut milk and it in the pot. So you don't know anything go. Put the pan fire. So go and stay locking and clocking. But then I bush so. Alright, see what going on now? This is the season for going in the pot. We'll cut up onion, scallion, sweet pepper. We have some fresh thyme and we have 2 hot pepper right here. Same way. I don't know my pot. Season up with Maggi season. Ready? So I go in the pot ready. Ratty don't put in the salt and then thing then it ready. So that I go on.
Jasmine rice and wash. One Ratty, rice specialist. That's the good. What rice never have to wash?
Me I say to that one, I bought
Yeah.
I can wash.
Cooking down in some coconut juice.
no.
Wow, go wicked so. Yeah, straight now the pot you will get it now. So I go on. Pot look booming. What's next? Cut that, man. Wow.
That is it.
Don't know, so we're going to make some ackee and saltfish and pakchoi. Wow, you're fast on them though. You're active.
Yeah, they used to something in a community again. Star girl, I get the ackee them clean up now. Yeah, man. Outside in nature. Ackee are clean up now. Some ackee and saltfish with some pakchoi mixed together. So one star girl, they are going to get ackee them clean up and things. So just go and stay locked in and clock in. Yeah, man. Remember to check out Star Girl channel as well. So that is it. Ackee are going to clean up and things. So go and stay locked in and clock in. That is it.
Yeah, man, peeps. So I want to actually with the pakchoi, man. I'm going to get on some salt on it. So any little insect, the panic come off. Like salt burn the eye, you know. One socks, no joke.
Sock. And it's in a DNA too.
Hey.
And I suck what you wash out. It's in a DNA. Yeah, wash out.
So quick and fast, I get the pakchoi, they match up. And then you know what thing go.
Pretty like money.
Pretty?
Oh,
Drop that funny ackee.
huh?
Active!
Oh,
Take your time.
best Sunday dinner.
Yeah.
That is it, guys.
So time I know.
You get it. Start cut up.
Alright, so socks that cut up the pakchoi them already. Actually just start. So this is how I go on so far. Ackee and saltfish with some pakchoi mix. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, that's what
Ackee and saltfish with some pakchoi.
What kind of ackee?
Yeah?
Curry ackee.
Curry ackee. Oh. Oh, curry are going hide. Curry ackee nice, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, curry ackee nice. At one time I tried still. So, success are going to get the pakchoi cut up. Yeah, man. Put over there so with the banana leaf already. Yeah, man. So, now the rice are going to steam now. Over here, so seed speed. Yeah, man. See, we turn on the stove and the pot dip on the fire and thing. One steam down seed speed. Yeah. So that I go on. One water go on. So do remember, if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, you don't know what them are wait for still in the socks. Yeah, no so watch. Yeah, man. But big up all the viewers and big up all the subscribers. See me? Come on, pakchoi there. I go and get cut up and thing. One socks outside. Yeah, man. So still. That is it, man. So stay locked in and clock in. Don't move a muscle. Yeah, so them for steer on the corner. Alright, that is it, but so go lock in and clock in. Alright, so pot off the fire already. Yeah, man, as you can see, rice steam out. Yeah, man, that is it.
Come on, check in, people. Right now I get the saltfish And the Ackee in one time, you know, guys. So I go on. That is it.
Ackee and Saltfish.
That I cold. Nathan! Colors, you miss this. Curry Ackee and Saltfish. And what they call us something over there?
Pakchoi.
Pakchoi. You know that?
Let's go and stay locked in and clock in. Do remember, if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, I don't know where you are yet, but now. Subscribe to the channel and like up the video, share out the video. You don't know anything.
Yeah, man, peeps. So, I get up the pot off of the fire. Because the Ackee done already. Saltfish scald off. Don't know. Bingo. Now, start. Hold the pot. You just hold the pot, not by angle, man.
You're mad on that?
You want to live one on with it?
Nathan.
Jabo, give me boss. Same time I can get you from this.
So we have curry, Ackee, Saltfish, Pakchoi.
Everything a curry one time.
We have curry pepper too.
People watch out, I'm sure now I'm going away.
You what is it?
Rampy this one. And the curry go on board. And we now waiting, we are getting in. Done. No hitching. You gonna see that? Let's go and stay tuned and watch what
That is it. Alright, so we're about to pick up the Saltfish right about now. Yeah, man, Sax want it quick and fast. So me and Star Girl I go deal with it quick and fast. You know what I think? Yeah. So I get it pick up quick and fast, you know.
So we now want a bone in there, you know, guys. Because
now yes, the time.
You go flying on a wrong throat. So you have to look for the bone.
That is it. Yeah, well easy. Almost finished now. Still eating in the kitchen, but then say if I can't stand eating.
Come out of the kitchen, but I work here, I work, so we have to look past that.
Quick and fast, no itching. My bone them. Oh, my bone itching there. Yes, yeah, my bone them. We are getting the Saltfish now. Yeah, just like that. Piece of pepper in it too. Yeah, you don't want to come on.
hide the pepper.
That is it, man. See what time a clock a strike.
There's a curry, Pakchoi with Ackee and Saltfish.
That is it, man. Pot off the fire now. Yeah, sharing time now. So go and stay locked in and clock in. You can smell it through the video, okay? Both fata check in. Look at that. Yes, you come right time.
Yeah, give me my look, make me go on.
Yeah, you look make you go on. Yeah, man. One both for check in, I don't know. So I go on now.
Share out, as you can see. We have some nice pumpkin seed potato rice, and we are matched up with some curry, Ackee, and Pakchoi and Saltfish. Man, so that way I want something in there, people. As you can see, Scotland food as here. No, but what is our dance?
Oh, daddy short.
Fasten the hands and close on the eyes. We're about to bless the food. O kind and merciful, loving and thankful Father above, dear Lord, I'm asking you, bless this food as we're about to consume. Guide and protect us, dear Lord. Keep us and bless us as we go. Bless Color Smith TV as he's on his vacation, not really vacation. Guide and protect him, dear Lord, as he go along this way. Without him, none of this right now would be possible. So we ask you for the guidance and the protection for him. In Jesus' name.
Amen. That I could. You can't wait.
Chop up.
I just circle pot a while ago. You're about there, I'm going to feed him face.
Chopping, yeah.
One Danila over here, so now play with the food, you know. Star girl.
As soon as I touch back at Jamaica, I'm going to put on back the butter, you know.
That is it, man.
Oh, naughty.
Man, food, well up this, man.
See, cutter, yeah?
Sweet.
This is one forward from town and reaching our pot. That is it, man. So everybody are gonna get them belly full. Go and enjoy themselves in the evening. Yeah, drink some water when we're done. Sucks, yeah, water. See it? Best
Water,
juice that, you know.
Respect.
That is it. Bow fat. Check in now. Where's the go and feed?
Fully active.
Fully active. Yeah, man.
Ackee and Pakchoi and Saltfish.
Yeah, that is it.
The Saltfish for that state for me, but Ackee and Pakchoi curry down. That's a code.
So I go on here now. I check in for the food. It's almost, well, I'm not going to say almost, but I shell it down already still. I'm curry ackee and saltfish with some Pakchoi. Some, what is it again? Pumpkin rice. Sweet potato pumpkin rice.
Wicked! Yeah, man. So stay tuned and watch what I go on.
What time o'clock I strike now? Yeah, man. So food shell and thing. Everything work out proper today. Yeah, so big up to each and everyone who watch this video to the end. Yeah, man. There, go up to the car now and thing pack up, chop off the stuff them up Colors, well up Isa. I chop off the stuff them up Isa, and then head on home. So stay tuned. I pack up the car now.